Okay guys, see here, once you install the Design Spark software, you will be having the Design Spark logo. See here, actually version 11 is running now. We are using version 8 only, which is stable for us. Okay, select Design Spark software. It will launch. It will take some time to launch. Yes, once it is launched guys, go to file. Okay, once you installed, once it is launched, first thing is you have to go to library and here folders. See guys, in the folder by default only two library, these two library will be enabled. Everything will be like this. By default actually only these two will be enabled. ಈ ತರ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Everything will be disabled. Number of files found will be only 22. Number of files found will be only 22 files will be found for you in the beginning. ನೋಡಿ ಈ ತರ ಇರುತ್ತೆ 16 or 22 like that, because everything is disabled. And also guys, when you install by default you will get only these four things, you will not get extra. It is I added it manually for our design. Only these four, this. Okay, you have to go to folder tab and here you have to click on folder enabled. See, number of files found is 22. Then this folder enable. Number of files found is 203. Sir, how to add an additional file? How to add a additional file? Sir, you added something, right? How you added it? See here, you have to click on add. See, browse. You would have downloaded something from the internet, right? We gave the link na. In that one there is a folder called as a library. In the link whatever we gave, right, there is a folder called as library. Let me go to the same folder in my laptop. I'll go to the folder. Please save the entire downloaded file in the C drive. Many of you ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ ಗೊತ್ತಾ, now you are storing it in a desktop. As soon as SDP is over, you delete that file. As soon as you delete that file, whatever link you provide in this library folder, right, that will not work. ಅವಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, sir, during the training program we got few components. When we are practicing, we are not getting components. Mistake is you deleted that file. That's the reason. And sometimes if you keep it in the downloads also, because of cleaning your download history or download data, you delete everything. Please, until unless your project is completed, either keep it in any one drive other than C, D, E, F, anything. Sir, I don't have anything, because many cases nowadays I am seeing only one drive is there, that is C drive. So please keep it in a C drive. Okay, whatever file you download, I want you to keep it in a C drive. Sure? Yes. Now see, I kept it in my like drive, that is, you can observe here. You are going to get a like a project like file like this, Design Spark PCB. Inside that one there is a folder called as libraries. See here, there are many folders are there. Okay, most of the project needs this folder, download library, bridge rectifier.cml. Press OK. See how many files found? 228. Like that, again add, browse, user library, press OK. See how many files found? 232. Again add, browse, if you need an additional library. Clear? Component tool. Yeah, in this one we don't have any mismatch. In this one, okay, this is different. Yeah, see, these two you added. Okay, now number of files found is, yes, number of files found we are getting is 232. Like this we added many libraries. Clear? Just click on apply, close. And also guys, sir, how to check whether my software is licensed or not, enabled or not? See guys, actually when we were doing the training program for MS Ramaya College, we took this particular bulk permission license. It is open source only. Generally guys, designs for PCB software, you have to go to the internet, you have to create one account in their website. They will give one serial number, then your software will activate in reality. But all of you creating account means it will be time consuming. That's the reason we are like enabling it from the back end. And they gave us for this particular college. It's not that only people have to use, anybody can use it. Okay. If your software is licensed, you should get this. Otherwise, you should get with your serial number. Okay. Whatever version we gave, right, that will be getting this. After that, file, observe the screen, file, new, first project, press OK. See here already I created one home automation project, right? Let me type a home automation version 2 because I started recording. Now I created one more project. Okay, save. Please don't save the project wherever you want. Many times I see they will be saving the project in somewhere corner of OS. You only don't know where it is. Understood? Please save the project in a specific folder, either in the desktop, either in the C drive. I don't need to teach you how to create a new folder. You know, right? Yes. See here, I created a folder called the Reva EC Product Development Embedded System Workshop. So in that one I created a home automation project 2. Save. Okay. See now the project is created. In this one, schematic design, PCB design, other files. Can you observe one thing? They mentioned schematic designs, plural, whereas PCB design, singular. The reason is, in many companies what we do guys, we are going to have a multiple schematic files. Multiple files will be there. But including all the files in a single project only. Now let me consider you are doing a line following robot. In the line following robot, we have a multiple parts. Motor controller is a one part. Yes? Sensor, you are going to develop a sensor, right? That is a one more part. If you have a 8 array sensor, 4 array sensor, it is a separate part. Then power supply. Power supply, you are supposed to give the power supply to the robot. You have to develop a power supply board. And finally, embedded system board. You might be using PHP or anything. Now 4 schematics are there. One option is all 4 can be done in one schematic. Acceptable. But in many companies they distribute the work. 4 members will do 4 schematics separately. They will do it in this laptop, we will do it in this laptop, we will do it in this laptop separately. At the end, they are going to put everything in a single project. That is the reason schematic designs. Whereas PCB design, because including everything is a single motherboard. Including all the schematic, motherboard is single. That's the reason PCB design. And how about the other files? If you want to add any kind of data sheet or any kind of information, you can add it there. ಈಗ ನಾನು ಒಂದು ಡೌನ್ಲೋಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇನಲ್ವಾ ಒಂದು JPG file. We downloaded one JPG file, right? Reference diagram. That I can put in other files. So let me put it first. Plus, I'll go to see here, I kept the JPG file. Where it come? Where it came? Other files. Because it is the additional file. It is not a design file, some other additional document. Clear? I want everyone to do this one. When you are doing your project, ನೀವೇನಾದರೂ ಸರ್ಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ರೆಡಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಆ ಸರ್ಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು. If you use any new components, its data sheet should be added. Guys, I am trying to make you as a product developer, not as a student. I want you to be a product developer means some standard documentation you have to follow. Clear? Yes. Now let me create a new project. Schematic design. Click on OK. So now same home automation version 2. Just type H. It will give the name remove.prj, remove.prj, press save. Okay, now you can observe empty schematic design created. Now you observe one schematic design is there, one other file is there, but this other file will not open in the same software, guys, because it is not related to the same like this one, right? Next, so let me close the magnifier is required. Yeah, once again I'll explain you what and all tools are available here. This is a menu bar. This is menu bar. File, new, edit, all those things are there. This is a toolbar. Okay. Sometime what happens if somebody deleted this? Right click, you can see all the sign. Enable this also. Here it came. See. Okay. When you right click on this, everything should be enabled. Everything should be enabled. See, if you are not having this, you will not get this toolbar. So right click, enable all, you will get everything. Now, major thing in my project is I want ESP32 first. If I consider ESP32 as my project, ESP32 I want to check in the online first whether it is available or not. In order to check in the online, guys, listen here. You can go to internet. There is a website called as Component Search Engine. Component Search Engine. Component Search Engine. Component Search Engine. So in the Component Search Engine website, you are supposed to search that particular software. Just a minute. Yes, see here, there is a website called as Component Search Engine. In this one, you have to log in. First, you have to register because you don't have any login ID first as of now. You have to register. After registering, you have to click on sign in. So once you sign in, then only you can download that component from that website. See here, already we have account. I just sign in. Yes. Shh. See here, in this particular like one, we can search for schematic symbol, footprint symbol, 3D models. I type ESP32. Guys, in the ESP32 we have two types of pins. Okay, you have to check which pin IC you need. Yes. Shh. Here you can observe, guys, it is providing the different type of ESP32 model, but say it is providing you the chip. In the ESP32 there will be a chip, right? That chip it is providing, not the entire model. Unfortunately, in here we don't have a complete model available, guys. We have chip. Just a minute, I'll disable the zoom because it is difficult for me to work with the zoom itself. See here, if I scroll down, shh, I have a different models, but I am not having the ESP32 entire model itself. Let me check this. It look like a model. No, it is an antenna. RX and TX antenna. It is not a model yet. Next. Shh. Yes. So we are not having the ready-made usable model actually here. Shh. But I'll show you one demo, guys. If something we found, how to import that one to the our library, I'll show you first. If I found something which is required for us, okay. In that case, how to import that one to our application? See here. Here we have one ESP32 dev kit. Please observe the screen, all of you. See here. Shh. If you get any kind of model like this, first you have to check whether all the three things are there or not. You should have a schematic symbol, footprint as well as 3D model. 3D model is optional, but at least schematic symbol and footprint should be available. It is not our actual model. I am telling you, if you found something, yes sir, which is related to me, I found it, then you have to download it. Shh. How to download it? You see here. Can you see the symbol? Download S2 dev kit 1 hour model. When you click on this download symbol, it is going to download that particular file, that is a .zip file. Just a minute, it is downloading. First observe ಮಾಡಿ, no need to practice now, no need to practice, observe the screen first. Yes. Shh. Internet is the biggest challenge here. Okay. Shh. Okay guys, see here, that particular model is not downloading, but I'll show you the existing model. See, already in our software folder, we have some of the libraries which are downloaded. Shh. Galati Mamadi. See here. So we have a PCB library. In this one, many libraries we downloaded already. So this is how it will look like. You will have a zip folder. You will have a zip folder, guys. That zip folder you have to extract. After extracting the zip folder, let me consider the first one, 2SD882. That is what the zip folder I extracted. Now I want to make sure that this particular file should be available in my design. So inside the design, guys, you have to go to library. Stop talking. First you have to select schematic design, schematic symbol, click on add file. See guys, when you download the library from the website, one by one you have to add. You have to add schematic symbol, you have to add PCB symbol separately. Schematic symbol, add. See here, now I have a schematic symbol in the PCB lips 28 SSD. See here. Yeah. License was not done. I said now I will give you the instruction for installation. Uninstall that. See here. Same component is available for all the different types of software. Now in this one, our software is Design Spark PCB. First you have to select DSL file. Press OK. It is already available. I will overwrite. Next again PCB symbol, add, select same thing PCB. So if you like after that one, you have to go for component, add component. Yes. Now if you observe, yeah, this is my, so like that particular component. Schematic symbol is also added, PCB symbol like a layout also added, a footprint. Schematic symbol, footprint both are added. This one I can access by this name, 2SD88-AZ. So this is how we have to add the libraries if you download something from the online. Yes, sir, I don't have an online footprint. I don't have an online footprint, sir. I want to create my own footprint. So in that case, what you have to do? First, you have to note down the. First, you have to download the ESP32 data sheet. Pin to pin distance you have to check from one pin to another pin, because ESP32 is a dual inline package. Here you have some pin. Here you have some pin. Now you have to download. You have to check the pin to pin distance. If you have a physical device, you can check with the scale. Sir, I don't have a physical design. You can check in the online. If you check the ESP32 dimensions, but remember one thing, guys. Sometimes dimensions they will give the body dimension, entire body dimension. We don't want entire body dimension. We want pin to pin distance. We want pin to pin distance. So you have to be very careful with respect to that. ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಈ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ESP32 pins are fixed. When the pins are this much distance, body will be this much. If you do the design for this much and parts are available here, you can't fit this one in this. Hope you are understanding, right? Pins are available here, but according to your design, pads are available here. It won't work. So pin to pin distance you have to identify, not a entire model dimension. And entire model dimension also we need for giving the space. ESP32 data sheet. If I type ESP32 data sheet, our internet is the biggest challenge. See here, EX32 data sheet. So you can download based on the model again. Don't download random data sheet. Based on the model you have to download the data sheet. Okay, this is not a ES32 model data sheet. Yes, look at the screen, all of you. Yes. Shh. See guys, in this case we don't have any issue because pins are next to the board edge. So in this model case we don't have any issue because pins are exactly to the board edge. And as you observed here, this is a challenge for us because they have 3 mm hole. They gave the entire space along with that 3 mm hole. First thing, this one you can observe here, this is a width and this is a length. Now what you supposed to do, you have to bypass, like you have to make a rover model for this one only, but here you have to place the components, that means pins. Okay, I know your mind is not here now, go for break. After break you come back please. By 11, sorry. Very happy, right? 11 means 10:45.
Clock the break.